Hello, welcome to the 1CapApp video series. Today we're going to talk about the new line macro used when you're F12ing a script from your CAT software. This will add a new line everywhere you want it. So first let's add the macro. Come to macros. Oh, it looks like I have one already. I'm going to delete it so that we can see. Add new line macro, select it, and then we're going to call it TPH*L. So this is what you'll send from your CAT software to let the streaming server know that here comes a new line macro, TPH*L. So that's the text of the macro. You see it here, it's now registered. And so the streaming server will recognize this TPH*L text string as a new line macro and then calls a new line wherever it sees that. So now let's go to the script file, and I'm going to show you what you need to change in your script file to take advantage of this macro. Okay, this is the script file, and you can show paragraph marks or not show paragraph marks by clicking on this paragraph symbol up here. It's nice to have so that you can see it there, but it's not necessary. But I'm going to leave it on. It kind of looks like a note symbol. A lot of these scripts have notes in them. This is not a note symbol, it's a paragraph mark. So don't confuse the two. First thing we're going to do a Control H. And what that brings up is a dialog box that allows you to search and replace all at once. And so if we're going to replace all paragraph marks with this new line macro, and if you can't remember what the paragraph mark is, you can come down to here to this special box and select paragraph mark. Okay, so we're going to do that all again just to make sure everybody understands. Do a Control H, and when it first came up it had this in it, but if you click on this more, you get more options here, and then you can click special for paragraph mark. Okay, so we're going to change all paragraph marks to TPH*L and the paragraph mark. So it's that up caret lowercase p. The uppercase p does not work, so don't use the uppercase p there. Now I'm going to replace all. It says I did 140 of them. So now you see before that paragraph mark I have a TPH*L. That's the new line macro. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to change period with 2 spaces to period and the new line macro and a paragraph mark. I'm going to replace all of them. Did 369 of those, and now I'm going to find all of them with just 1 space after it and replace it all. There's 73 of them, and I'm not going to do the 1 space or the no space after it because of situations where you have www.20 where there's a period in between it, and we'll come to another exception to the rule here. But anyway, now we're going to do question marks, and I don't care about how many spaces are after that, and so I'm going to change all question marks to that. Replace all, 47, and then now I'm going to do colon. There may be other special characters that you want to line feed after. Replace them all. And now I'll show you what happened to us. If I find doctor, notice that the doctor space J was changed in a way that I didn't really want it to happen. And so I'm going to change Dr. TPH star L and the paragraph mark to doctor dot and a space, and I'm going to replace them all. So any kind of situation like this, when you're changing those periods to a new line feed and paragraph mark, you may run into something like this. So I'm going to replace all 52 of them. Now if you notice that new speaker, Dr. J, is the way that we want it formatted. And now when you save this Word document or your script file and do an F12 edit from your CAT software, it should work just fine. And this new line macro will put a new line in your streaming text wherever you want it. It's pretty cool. If you have any questions, give us a call at our 1CapApp support line, or you can email us at contact@1capapp.com. Thanks for using 1CapApp. Bye.